How to download music on your MacBook for offline listening. So first things first is of course open up any preferred web browser that you have in your MacBook. You can also try to use Safari. Now in your Safari, just simply type in Pixabay. Hit on enter and you should be able to see this at the very first result. Now click on the first link that will redirect you to Pixabay's official site. In here, this is Pixabay's home page. You simply choose or locate the music icon or the music tab and then click on that. So as you can see, there are tons of music available in Pixabay which is already been copyright free. So to download them, you just have to choose or select this download icon right here and you should be able to play and listen to this music without internet connection or offline. So that is how you download music to your MacBook for offline listening.